This is a repair test for prassanna Venigalla. It is October 5th, 2022. It's 11:45 a.m. This is the shingle that we're going to be attempting to repair right here. See creasing and wind damage. I'm going to go ahead and see where the strip ends. Okay, so right here it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Break the seam strip with surrounding shingles. Okay, if you want to walk in front of me and get a little general overview of that, just go down the line, show them what we're going to be looking at here. Yep, let them know. Just give them an overview of the work that we're doing. Yep. Very good. If you want to come back and get on this other side of me, we're going to start pulling these nails. The tools we're using is a nail puller, State Farm tool, roof snake, and a hammer. We're going to go ahead and get started here, start pulling some of these nails. Creasing and granule loss on this first one. Get a close up, note the condition of that shingle. Give it a little tap. Very good. Other one over. Granules just pouring off as we're pulling these nails. Get a close up, note the condition of that shingle. Creasing and granule loss. Very good. Going down. Close up in the condition of this shingle. Creasing and granule loss. Moving on down. Final layer, or final one on this layer. Granules just pouring off there. Creasing. Get a close up in those conditions of that shingle down there. After there's creasing and granule loss. Very good. We're going to move on down. We'll get back on this other side of me. Start pulling the nails out on this top layer. Close up, note the condition of this shingle. Creasing and granule loss. On over to the next one. Pulling the nails. Granules are just pouring off as I'm tapping, trying to remove this nail. Close up, note the condition of this shingle. Seems to be the same story throughout on all these surrounding shingles. Creasing and granule loss, very good. Got 2 more nails to pull. Alright, I'm going to get a close up and note the condition of this shingle. Creasing, granule loss. I'll go ahead and pull this shingle. Out with the old and with the new, as they say. We're going to be driving these nails in with a State Farm tool, otherwise known as a roof snake.
Did it bend it?
Yeah, it did. Roof nail bent, no big deal. Different nail. Alrighty. This repair test has failed. All the surrounding shingles and compromised. Creasing and granule loss. Again, this is on the front slope. So just get an overview of that and the damage. And that'll be all.